This is a car washing video. I'll try to make it fast. I'll try to be quick. But no, it's going to take a while. So this is my 84 Bertone X19. It just had a birthday and turned 40 years old. It has a respray paint job on it from I don't know when. And let's just say it's okay. They taped off most of everything. They didn't pull trim off, they just painted around it. But it's an okay spray job. I've had the car since May of this year, and I've been working on it ever since. So currently the engine's out being rebuilt and hyped up, pumped up. So the car moves from outside to inside, and right now it's living outside. It's under a partial cover, but the front sticks out. This is Texas in the fall, and so the oak trees are dripping and putting off leaves and acorns and whatnot. So I want to keep the paint in shape. Never take an old car to the car wash. Stuff will fly off. Too much pressure, especially with a respray of unknown quality. So what I do is I rinse the car off with the hose, and then a microfiber towel and a spray bottle with some Dawn dish soap. So I think I just screwed the whole video up. Let me try again. So a microfiber cloth and a spray bottle with some Dawn dish soap in it, and then I just spray it on the car. So if you look right here, there's still splotches on the car, and you can rub them, and they're still there. So a clay bar, you can get this from your automotive places. Take your clay bar and you just work it over the paint. And what this does is it picks up all of that debris and sap and road tar. And then this is a good spot, see? So you watched me wash it, and see how the clay bar gets a little dirt on it. So just flip it over, use the other side. And we'll keep working right here. You can feel it, you can hear it. Kind of clicks. When it's smooth like clean glass, then you're done. So I'm gonna knock this fender out, and then when I'm done with this, then I'm gonna hit it with a number 7 glaze from the dual action orbital. So this is the one I'm using. They don't pay me to promote this, but it works. So this is the dual action orbital from Harbor Freight. It's a Bauer edition. It works good. So just a couple drops of wax. Like I said, this is a number 7, so it's very, very fine. And it's just gonna protect the paint for a while. And then I just cut the top off. You can slip it back in there and it'll stay clean for the next time. That's where a little bit of that brown is coming off, is just old stuff. So when these cars are parked nose down like this, it'll hold water in that channel. So make sure you go in there and dry that off. You watched me do it already. So now when you go in close, it's nice and smooth. There'll be less stickage from the trees and environment and stuff. It's not a paint correction. There's still flaws, but it's a 40-year-old car with an unknown paint job. I just want to keep the paint in good condition. This is a deep scratch. Could come back with some more aggressive compound like a 105 and work that for a while and probably get it to disappear. It's got a clear coat on it, so it's only in the clear, but you can see all the other damage over here where it got chipped off, and then they used the wrong color white to hide it. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm probably not going to repaint the car until it absolutely has to have it. And then I'll do the doors, and then I'll do the back. But not today. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.